Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see 50 plus sarees of borderless handloom soft silk sarees. All these sarees are our own manufacturing sarees, freshly stocked from our loom. We have 50 plus collections. We have attached all the saree pictures. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree. We have attached all the 50 sarees in this video, so please don't skip the video. Please do watch this video fully for all those saree and color combination and designs. So all these sarees or borderless sarees comes with a Silkmark certified. All are double warp sarees, a very good quality sarees. Comes with a premium silk quality. So we have 50 plus collection in this video, so please do watch this video fully. If you want to book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. All these sarees comes with the Silkmark certified, so please don't miss these collections. We have bulk collections in this video. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. Just take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp for booking. All are double up first quality borderless silk sarees, purely handloom made. We have very different color combination and very beautiful designs in this video. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree.